Go.
Hi everyone, welcome to our lecture series. We have WAS June 2012 question 13. It says out of 40 customers, that is our universal set. Out of 40 customers, the number of U is 40. 16 bought yam. Okay, we have here 25 bought plantain first. Number of customers that bought plantain is 25. 16 bought yam. Number of customers that bought yam equals 16. 21 bought corn. Number of customers that bought corn equals 21. Each of the customers bought at least one of the three items, meaning region 8 has no number. 8 bought both plantain and yam. Number of customers that bought plantain and yam, we have 8. Both plantain and yam, 8. 11 bought plantain and corn. Number of customers that bought plantain and corn equals 11. And 6 bought yam and corn. Number of customers that bought yam and corn equals 6. The question goes further to say, represent the information on a Venn diagram. That's A, Roman number 1. Roman number 2, A says how many customers bought all the three items. Number of customers that bought plantain and yam and corn. We don't know. Let's represent with any letter in the alphabet. We can say X. And then B said, what is the probability that a customer selected at random bought Roman number 1 under B, either plantain une or corn une? Roman number 2, at least 2 items. So before you can answer the sub questions to this question, you need to get a full sketch of the Venn diagram. And this is 3-set problem. You represent the subsets by the cycles here. The Archimedes set. You have number of P to be 14. Number of Y to be 16. Number of C to be 21. This is your universal set. Number of U equals 14. So when you have this, the first thing to represent is the intersection of all three. In this case, the intersection of all three is unknown, and we represented it by a letter. So this is X. And then you go for the intersection of the two. We have plantain and corn. This is plantain and yam. Plantain and yam. Here is 8. So the X is part of the 8. So you say 8 minus X. If the question has said plantain and yam only, then you will not have to subtract this X from this 8. So this region represents plantain and yam only. And it goes with the other two regions. Plantain and corn. This is plantain and corn. 11. So this will also be 11 minus X. And here is yam and corn only. Yam and corn only. It is also 6 minus X. So as I said in my previous video, before you can answer questions relating to the Venn diagram, it is important that you get all of the 8 regions. Now when you hear a statement like each of the customers bought at least one of the 3 items, it means that this region has no number. So you are only left to find the numbers representing the remaining 7 regions. So you know, find this number, this number, this number. You can allow letters to represent them. Say, let's say this is A, B, C. So that means A equal customers. Customers who bought plantain une. Plantain une. C equal those who bought con une. B, those who bought yen une. So we will now go about finding each of them. So we can find A by saying, now A is part of this circle, and this entire circle here, this should be 25, not 40. The number of customers that bought plantain only is 25 in the question, so this is 25. The 40 is for the universal set. So please take note of that. So this is A equal, the whole circle is 25, minus the remaining 3 regions. This is 11 minus x, plus this one x, plus 8 minus x. So you have A equal 25 minus the negative x here, cancel all the positive x. So you have 11 plus 8, that will be 19. It will be affected by this minus, so you get minus 19 here. And this negative will affect this negative x, and you have positive x. So you have 25 minus 19. You have 6. So this will be 6 plus x. This is 6 plus x. And then we go for B. B will be equal to the overall cycle is 16 minus the other 3 regions. The sum of the other 3 regions. So you have 8 minus x plus this x plus 6 minus x. 16 minus this negative x, we take the positive x. 8 plus 6, that's 14. It will be affected by this minus, so you have the 14 being negative. The negative will affect this negative, it will be positive x. So 16 minus 14, that will be 2 plus x. And then you have C equals, the overall cycle here is 21 minus parentheses open 11 minus x plus 6 minus x. So you have C equal 21. This negative x will take this positive x or cancel the positive x. You have 11 plus 6, that's 17. It will be affected by this negative, so you have minus 17. Negative times negative, that will be positive. And then you have the x coming out. So you now have 21 minus 17. This will give you 4 plus x. So you can see now that all the regions will be in x. And then you can now draw another Venn diagram that will have all of the variables only being x. You have this. And then you have number of p to be 25. Number of y, please make sure and enjoy it and represent everything as you see the original diagram. Number of c equal 21. You have number of u to be 14. Again here, look there, this is x. Here you get 8 minus x, 11 minus x, 6 minus x. Here we have a, but a is 6 plus x. You have b, b is 2 plus x. And you have c, c is 4 plus x. So to have everything in number, you need to add the 7 region. Remember, region 8 has no number, so the sum of the 7 regions will now be equal to the universal set. So mean will say 6 plus x plus 8 minus x plus 2 plus x. We come here, we say 11 plus 11 minus x plus x plus 6 minus x plus 4 plus x, all should be equal to the universal, the number of the universal set, which is 14. Now you look here, each positive x will cancel it corresponding negative x. So this cancel this positive x will cancel the negative x, this positive x will cancel the negative x. So you are left with only one x. And then you add all the numbers. You have 6 plus 8 plus 2 plus 11 plus 6 have plus 4. So everything will give you 37. So you have 37 plus this x equal to 40. And then you have x equal to 40. 37 goes across, it becomes minus 37. So you have x equal to 3. So remember, initially we said x should be equal to the number of customers who bought all 3 items. So the first Roman number 1 says, so this is A. Please make sure and number it as this is A Roman number 1. And continues here. So A Roman number 2 says, find the number of how many customers bought all 3 items. So say the number of customers who bought all 3 items equal x equal to 3. So this is the answer for that. Then kind of B. B said, what is the probability that a customer selected at random but under B you get Roman number 1, but either plenty une or con une. Now all in set means union, and union means to put together. So you need to find the number of customers that bought plenty une and also con une, and then add them together. So you say B Roman number 1, the number of customers who bought either plenty une or con une. Who bought plenty une or con une. So you can in this diagram, plenty une, the number of customers that bought plenty une is represented by 6 plus x. So this is 6 plus x, then all means plus or union, you put them together, and then the number of customers that bought con une is represented by 4 plus x. So this is 4 plus x. So x was calculated with 3, so 6 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. 6 plus 3, that's 9. 9 plus 4, 13. So this will give you 16. 16 customers. So this is not the answer. They said the probability that the customers selected at random bought either plenty une or con une. So probability is the number of ways an event can occur, or the total number of possible ways. So you say probability that a customer bought either plenty une or con une. It will be equal to the number of customers that bought either plenty une or con une, which will be 16, or the total number of customers, which is 40. So 8 into 16, it goes 2 times. 8 into 14, it goes 5 times. So this will be 2 over 5. Or 0.4, which is also equal to 0.4. Then B says the probability that the customer bought at least 2 of the items. So we need to find the number of customers that bought at least 2 of the items. Now when you hear at least 2 of the items, it means that the minimum is 2. So it should be from 2 to the highest. So from 2 to the highest. So we want to find the number of customers on the side that bought. So we can put it on the side. B, Roman number 2, number of customers. Number of customers who bought at least 2 items. So let's go there. Equal. Now, the number of customers who bought at least 2 items again will be from 2 to the higher. The maximum here is 3. So that means this region plus this region. So it's 11 minus x equal 11 minus x plus 11 minus x plus 6 minus x plus 6 minus x plus 8 minus x, 8 minus x plus x. So if you see 11 minus x, 6 minus x, 8 minus x, they are exactly 2. So it will be from 2 to the highest. Then the highest, the customers bought were 3 items. So this is the x. And you already know x will be 3 from the initial calculation. So this is 11 minus 3 plus 6 minus 3 plus 8 minus 3 plus 3. So this will be 11 minus 3, that will be 8. 6 minus 3, 3. 8 minus 3, 5 plus 3. So this will be 11. This will be 16. This will be 19. So this will be 19. Then the probability that the customer bought at least 2 items equal the number of customers that bought at least 2 items, which will be 19, or the total number of customers, which will be 40. So you could reduce it 19 divided by 40. But it cannot be broken now. This can be 0.475. Make sure if the number can be broken down, if the fraction can be reduced to the simplest form, reduce it before you can get a decimal value. We are interested in knowing how well you can reduce the fraction to the lowest term. Thank you again for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and also share this video. Thank you.